Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a digital planner on Canva. Use the search bar to type in planner. You can either choose a monthly planner or a yearly planner depending on what you want to create. I chose a monthly planner, and from these options that pop up you can choose one that you like. Keep in mind that some of these are Canva Pro only, so if you do not have Canva Pro already, go to the link in the description to get a 30-day free trial. Once you find one that you like, you can just click on customize this template. And after this, you'll be able to edit this whole project, every part of it. You can edit not just the fonts or the background color, you can edit really whatever part you want to change. You can also duplicate pages to make more space for each month. And once you're happy with the results, just click on share, download, and the PDF standard file would probably work best with this. Alright, this is how to create a digital planner in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.